Good morning children, welcome to INCG Max. The question is given now, x plus y equal to 1, x power 5 plus xy plus y power 5 equal to x square y square. Find x and y value. What is x value and what is y value? So here those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. So here subscribe the channel so that you may get the latest updates. If you like the video, you can share to your friends because it is a new channel. So the problems are created. The problems are created from the materials and they are uploaded. So here you can learn the logics very easily. We cannot find this type of problems in any other channels, max channels. Olympiad problems. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you get the answer x value and y value from this problem? So here this is a somewhat logical and critical. So here first of all I will start with given x plus y is equal to 1. So here x to the power of 5 plus xy plus y to the power of 5 is equal to x square y square. So that is a given part. Now what is what you have to find here is x value and y value. So here I am writing my x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to x square y square minus xy. So this is the value of x power 5, y power 5. So if you expand this value, x power 5, y power 5 can be written as x plus y into x to the power of 4 minus x cube y plus x square y square minus xy cube plus y power 4 is equal to x square y square minus xy. So here it is given my x plus y value is 1 So here this value is 1. So what will get now? X to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. X to the power of 4, y to the power of 4. Okay, here you can take xy common. So here minus xy common. So here you will get x square plus y square. So here x square plus y square is left over. RHS you are getting x square y square minus xy. So x square y square you can cancel. Now what will get here? X to the power of 4, y to the power of 4 minus xy into x square plus y square is equal to minus xy. So here you can write x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to xy into x square plus y square minus xy. So here you can take common xy. Xy into x square plus y square minus 1. So here x power 4 plus y to the power of 4, you are getting this value. So here xy value, x plus y value is 1. X plus y value is 1. So here we will get some value. You have to find some value here. X plus y is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. X square plus 2xy plus y square equal to 1. So from this you will get x square plus y square equal to 1 minus 2xy. So that value I am writing here. So here what will get xy into 1 minus 2xy. 1 minus 2xy minus 1. So here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So this value is x power 4 y power 4 value. So what will get now? X to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to minus 2x square y square. So if you take that side, x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 plus 2x square y square is equal to 0. Now it is a formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you can write it as x square plus y square whole square equal to 0. X square plus y square whole square equal to 0. That implies x square plus y square is 0. So from this you can write x is equal to x square is equal to minus y square. X square is equal to minus y square. So here you can find another value. So here you know the formula x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Here you will get x square is equal to 0. So from this condition you can write x plus y whole square minus 2xy is equal to 0. So already you know that x plus y whole square is 1. 1 square minus 2xy equal to 0. So minus 2xy is equal to minus 1. Xy is equal to 1 by 2. So you got xy value 1 by 2 from this condition. Okay, this is somewhat a bigger problem. So here I want x value, y value. Now I want x minus y value. X minus y value is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So x plus y whole square value is 1. 1 square minus 4 into 1 by 2. So here you will get square root of 1 minus 2. Square root of 1 minus 2 is root of minus 1. That is nothing but I. Root of minus 1 is I. So here you can write plus or minus. Okay. So x plus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to minus plus I. This is first case. X plus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to minus I. So here what will get? If you solve this, 2x is equal to 1 plus I. X is equal to 1 plus I by 2. So y is equal to 1 minus I by 2. So there will be conjugates. The value of x and y will be conjugates. So here if you take this one, so 2x is equal to 1 minus I. X equal to 1 minus I by 2. Then y will be 1 plus I by 2. So they are conjugates. So this is the x value and y value. So here they are x value and y value. I hope you like the video. So thank you for watching. I am CG Max Olympiad.